Okay, this is the Intertec Superbrain. Very rare in any country, especially Australia. This is a 240 volt version. It's a hard disk version as well, so it has the floppy drive and the hard drive. I've got the lid off it at the moment, but we'll put the lid on shortly and power it up to show that it mostly works. So this is 64K memory made up of 16K by 1 chips. The keyboard is in pretty good condition, except that we're missing our shift key here. Not too bad, fairly clean inside for its age. This is from 1978 or 79. The cabinet there, these were designed around having 2 disk drives in it. Intertec Data Systems Superbrain. Look a little further around the machine. So there's a board of some description. Of course these have a CRT tube monitor, connection there, hefty power supply, danger 240 volts, and our ports. So we've got a main port, an auxiliary port, brightness control, power on switch, and a build plate. Intertec Data Systems, South Carolina. It says this system is a Rev HD8, which I think means it's got an 8 meg hard disk in it. The cabinet itself, it's pretty dirty, could use a good clean up. I wiped it down of dust, so not in bad condition. Would be a good candidate for a restoration, this computer. So I'm going to put the lid on and we'll come back and see it booting, or attempting to boot. Okay, so the lid's back on our Superbrain. You can see keyboard and everything. There's our hard drive and floppy drive and monitor. So to power these suckers up, what you can hear whirring in there is the fan, cooling fan. The hard drive flashing away there, but I don't hear it spinning up, so I think that that's one thing that needs to be looked at. These old MFM hard drives are getting a bit long in the tooth. Here we've got a flickering screen saying to us, press F to boot from floppy, other key to boot from the hard disk. So I'll press F for floppy because I know the hard disk doesn't go. So it attempts to boot from floppy and says insert disk into drive A. So this is as far as testing goes. This Superbrain is being sold for collectors for restoration. It starts and attempts to work. It's probably not far off being returned to serviceable condition, but that's for, well, the next owner. So if you're interested in this, look for it on eBay and drop me a line. Thanks for watching.